Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another saucepan dip, or however you want to call it, but this time I will use this pale green background, and I will add some of this blue turquoise here on the bottom, and some yellow green, and just a touch maybe of this quinacridone burnt orange and some Van Dyke brown. And I mixed satin varnish in this background, so I'm hoping for some effects that I will like with, but we will see what will happen. And I will do some pinks and violets on top. So I will start here, here, and here. I will add some here. This was permanent magenta and pearl white, and some permanent violet light, and I will add some of this gold and pearl medium mixture. And some opera rose. And some, just a touch of pearl white. And permanent blue violet on top. Oops. See a blob? And let's do it. Just think that I don't have my background covered here. Okay, so let's start here and here and here, here. I will just wipe it off a little bit. I have to grab another paper towel because I have a lot of paint left on my pens. Just want to add a little something here maybe, and this will be probably it. I'll just try to see if I want to fix some places. I just have to add a little this background here because I have white on it. Where did I get white? This will level out so I'm not concerned about it. So let's torch this and see. I was hoping for a little more of this green that I added, but still not bad. I get some nice greens here. I like this shape of kind of tulip shape that this pen creates. I'm pretty happy with this shapes really. I'm just tempted to dip it again, but I won't. I just miss something here, but I don't have much paint, so I think that I will not get anything I will leave it like it is. Let me take you down for a close-up. See, I had some greens here. Probably should add a little more, but now I will leave it like it is. And I have some little green around this blossoms, so some of this orange here. Just love this technique because you get this beautiful lacing and this vibrant blossoms. Just love them. See, this one is my favorite, pink with this green. But I think it's a cute, springy looking painting, so I will definitely do it some more because I just love it. See, this one is beautiful too with this green around. But this one is absolutely gorgeous. Maybe I will touch this one here a little bit. But otherwise, I'm happy. So, this is it for today. And we will see you on the next one. Bye!